Hey guys, TechMunch here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your AirPods Pro to your MacBook running the latest version. So right now we have a M1 MacBook here, but essentially if you have one of the newer MacBooks or any of the software updated MacBook, this is going to be the process for us. So this is an updated video with the AirPods Pro. Now, by default, if you have an AirPods Pro and an iPhone that's already connected and you're signed into your MacBook, what's going to happen is if you open up the lid and go to where the Wi-Fi connection setting is, you'll see the networks that are available or the Bluetooth. There will be an option open for Bluetooth if you have Bluetooth enabled, and you can simply connect that way, and it should sync for you. Pretty simple, straightforward. Now let's say you're not signed into the same Apple ID that's on your MacBook and your iPhone. They're not syncing across. How can you do it if that is completely different? Well, now it's slightly different, but it also works as well. So what you want to do is simply go into your Finder here, up here where it's the Apple icon. You want to go actually to System Preferences. So that's going to be a list of settings. Now in the System Preferences, you can see you're not signed in to Apple ID, but if you're signed in, you'll see your device listed there like your iPhone. Let's say you're just completely without that and you just want to set up your AirPods. So what you do is go into Bluetooth. Now you want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on here. As you can see here, you want to make sure that it's turned on and it's discoverable here, as you can see. And now what we will see here are AirPods Pro here is a listed device. So Bluetooth is the way they connect. The AirPods Pro connect with your MacBook when the Bluetooth is on and within range, and you'll see that Bluetooth. Now sometimes you might have to hold this button on the back here for maybe a few minutes till it pops up, because that how allows it to start syncing. So you might have to hold this button, just keep on holding till it sees a device pop up, and once you see it pop up, you're going to simply hit that connect option, and once you hit that connect option, you get this option to enable Siri if you want Siri enabled, and then there's privacy stuff. So if you want Siri for the voice input, like you can control some things with your AirPod, you can enable that, or you can choose not to. It doesn't really matter. So let's say we enable, and then you can select the language or the voice of the Siri. Or if you don't want Siri, you can just leave it as is, and you'll see that now the device you see right here, it says connected, and it shows you the percentage. Now you also have the ability to click on options and then customize all of this. Now what'll happen once you're connected, now all of your music and such that you have on your Bluetooth will be able to play, and you are good to go now. Now the other way to go about this is that if you want to adjust all the settings, like you said, it's all right here about the detection, similar to like if you have the option on your iPhone, you can do whatever you need with it. And simply once you want to disconnect, you can turn off Bluetooth, or if you're out of the range, it will go away. Now if you're signed into, like I said, the Apple account on your MacBook, on your iPhone next to it, it all just sort of syncs, and if it doesn't, you can pretty much find it up here, and then you can select it to connect there as well. So hopefully this video is helpful, and if this video is helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.